The whole store is on clearance. Yes, more clearance. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon so we can make more review videos so you guys won't miss any of the latest and greatest deals. Alright, to start here we got some string trimmers. This is a gas string trimmer, straight gas, I believe 143 down from 179. And then check out all the string trimmers they got on clearance. That's a whole lot of tools. There's even more. So they got this one. This was multi-head string trimmer kit, Cobalt, 177 down from 219. It's a 15-inch 40 volt. They got the Eagle 15-inch brushless string trimmer, 149 down from 199. That's it right there. That's the model number. If you can, in case you guys want to look at it, you got the 15-inch cordless string trimmer. And 2.5 amp hour battery, 0.095. Then they got this combo. This is $239. This is a string trimmer blower combo. I do have this blower. This thing's a beast. It's battery hungry though, but yeah, you got a 2.5 amp hour battery. Then they got this multi-band compatible. It's like a shrub brush cutter, $95 down from $119. They got the Boland's 95cc 2-cycle trimmer, $52. This is a killer deal on these guys. I was just talking to my brother. He says he has one of these machines and still works pretty good, or lasted a long time. Alright, so you got this one 151 down from 159. It's a multi-head 4 amp hour starter kit, string trimmer kit, brushless string trimmer, Craftsman V20. These are brushless RPs. That's a really nice string trimmer. Then you got some attachments. This is 330 LK edge trimmer attachment, 95 down from 190. From Husqvarna Trimmer Plus. And then you got this edge trimmer, 103 down from 129. You got an edge trimmer add-on, 103. And then you got this Husqvarna curved edge attachment for 66 down from 133. Then this one's a pole saw attachment for 118 down from 237. Then you got some more string trimmers over here on this. That's a whole bunch of stuff on clearance. 135 down from 159. This is a Cobalt. Oh, this is not a string trimmer. My bad. This is a scrubber, guys. Yes, this is a scrubber, so you guys, you know, easier to clean your restrooms, your walls, your cars, whatever you have to. You don't want to clean your cars because you might scratch your paint, but you know you can clean other stuff. 75 down from 149. The string trimmer. And then this is another one they got for $99. Was $249. This one's this Eagle. The next one down, this one's 65 down from 159. This is a Skill. Wow, it's a whole bunch of these on clearance. And then they got another Eagle on the back. Let's see if we can. This one's a Craftsman, I believe. And then you got 65. Alright, so you got some levels, 1998 for 48 inch, 698 for the lockback utility knife with some blades, and then you got this 100-foot tape measure, $14.98. It is on neon green, easier to see, big numbers like that, and a nice wheel to go with it, the handle. So that's pretty nice. And then they got these markers. So yeah, these are fine point job site markers. $6.98 each, either color or one solid color. $16.98 for the Cobalt gel stabilized knee pads. So guys, I was actually feeling these, and these feel really good. Usually the knee pads they feel really hard, but these are really soft. So definitely check those out. And then they got another mower on clearance here. $99.50 down from $199. This is an electric. And then you got the manual mower here for $79 down from $159. And then you got the master build. This one's $129 from $199. Analog smoker. A foam cannon for $31 down from $39. Grid works. And then you got a surface cleaner, $59.63, down from $79. Guess what, guys? Guess what I saw here? I saw a mower, unbelievable price. Yes, an Eagle mower. This is a self-propelled model, 7.5 amp hour battery, 60-minute runtime. The whole bells and all the bells and whistles for $149, guys. $149, down from $600. That is a killer smoking deal, guys. Make sure you guys check out your store. I did not know they had these. I came into the surprise. I had to take one of these babies home. I left 3 of them for our fellows at DLTM6 and my fellows here at the YouTubes. If you guys are not subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe because I post those items as they come out. Alright, so you got the size discharge push mower. Clearance, guys, $119, down from $299. Killer deal on that one as well. You got a 2000 lumen hybrid AC/DC lights, $63, down from $79. 40 volts. Another clearance items. You got the safety visibility yellow gloves. These are really nice gloves. You got batteries here for the mowers or for the riding mowers or the the ATVs or whatnot. Oh, that's another place you guys could use these. The bigger motorcycles and stuff. Got a speaker here. That one's $19.97, down from $39. A little speaker. You got some more string for the string trimmers, $3. 0.095. You got the magnetic puck light, $12, down from $13. You got some clean tools on clearance. I was very surprised to see these on clearance. There's a whole bunch of tools. I'm going to go over some of them for you. So this one's $14.97, down from $24. This is a 5-in-1 flip socket kit. $24.97, down from $34.97. This is 11-in-1. So as you guys do see, that's a really nice, you got a limited edition linesman pliers, $35, down from $39, with the American flag on it. It's a limited edition. That was really nice. Collector's edition there. 12-in-1 stubby driver. This one's $14.97, down from $24.97. These are nice tools. Got the Craftsman drill drive kit, 1/2 inch driver there. This one's $79, down from $99. You got a cordless impact driver, $69, down from $139 with double 18 bolts. This is a kit, comes with battery and charger. Same thing with this one. This one's the Freak. Does not see a price on this one, but we do have the item number. Yep, right there. So I flipped it over for you guys. 3831105. Magnetic power strip, $21 for the toolboxes, and then you got a drill holster there for the toolbox. $8, and then we got a ugly twist 0.095 string. Some Cobalt tools. You got 24-volt reciprocating saw 103. 2-piece combo, $159, down from $199. You got a Cooler Pro, and it is a speaker as well. $34.97, down from $70. That was really nice. And then you got a 2-pack or a 2-tool combo kit, 12-volt impact drivers. I did own a couple of these, and these are really nice tools. Definitely recommend it. $89. Then you got another flex here. Well, actually a flex rotary SDS 1-inch. This one is $239, down from $299. I'm waiting for this one to drop. Got a light here for $63, down from $79 from the flex. You got some hard hats, $287, and then a vented for $427. You got this really nice fireplace for the living room, or for the hangout spot inside or something. $264, down from $529. This one's really nice. All right, you got some more clearance here, $29 from $49.99. And then you got some Dremel stuff on new lower price, $10.99, down from $17. You got an accessory kit, $17, down from $29. Universal 6-piece oscillating tool from $34. You got the power screener or scrubber, Dremel 3000. $34.98. And then you got some brushless string trimmer and combo. All these are going to clearance. They just don't have the space. So these are $249 ankle socks. A toolbox $5.98 down from $7.79. 52-inch solid wood top. This one's really nice. I really like the blue, the darker blue. And it's a self-closing drawer. And then you got this one on sale. This one's really nice. $199 down from $269. 4-drawer 30-inch cart. And there it is, guys. All the boxes. If you guys want a completely brand new one, there's the boxes. They do have them there, so you can take them because they don't want them in the store. Got the Craftsman 26-inch 5-drawer chest, $99 down from $114. You got the Craftsman 26-inch 4-drawer cabinet, $145 down from $159. And then you got this $399 down from $449, so $50 off 7-drawer workstation. Got this toolbox for the truck, $324 down from $489, 40-inch toolbox Cobalt. $439 down from $479 for the compressor. DeWalt's, same thing with this one, $399 down from $439. 4.5 gallon, and then you got the buy one get one free. So you buy this 18 gauge brad nailer, $279, you get a free starter kit. You do get a fast charger, 160 watt fast charger, and I can verify that these are fast chargers. These are really fast. They might sound like a jet, but they do charge fast. Got the XR impact driver. This one's really nice. It does come with the power stack batteries. So that's the new one. And you got the job site. I believe it's the 845. $129 for that one. And then you got a 40 volt job site radio. $59.57 down from $149. Got a skill rear handle. This is really nice. It's 2 times 20 volts, so it's a 40 volt tool for $199. You got the buy one get one free, so you get those free power stacks with the purchase of any tool. You can get the SDS rotary, the ratchet, the drywall cutout tool, the oscillating tool, the reciprocating saw, circular saw, the router, the drill, impact wrench, the sander, or the drywall screw gun. So there's all those tools. I believe there's a few more that do qualify for that. I was looking at this vacuum. This vacuum is really nice, really compact. I wish Milwaukee would do this. I know they do have the pack out, but sometimes you need something a little bit thinner that you easy to place somewhere. You got $249 and $249 for the rear handle and the side winder, guys. Kits with the stacked lithium technology, and then you got $279 for the high torque impact wrench, $399 for the impact driver drill drive with the 2 batteries, and then you got impact driver or drill drive for $199. So those are the rear handle, or actually this is the side winder and the rear handle. And then this is you got the Bosch buy one get one free. So all the Pro Factors are on sale with the free 8 amp hour battery. That is a beast of a battery. Those are beast of tools as well. 18 volt tools, 4 amp hour battery starter kit for free. Those deals 5/1/2024. You got a multi-bit screwdriver, 2617, 3 Ps down from 34. You got 2 4 amp hour starter kits for $149, down from $199. And then you get a free starter or a free tool with that purchase. I believe this one's not out here, but it is going to be out. And this sander, guys, this belt sander is available. So jump on them before they sell out. That is the first thing that's gonna sell out, because I know a lot of guys that want that one. Got the oscillating 3-piece cutting tool set, $11. Then you got a sanding piece set there from Craftsman's. You got another one, trim router, 7 amp, 44 down from 99. That's a killer deal. 12-piece oscillating multi-tool, 23 down from 29. Definitely jump on these for the smaller projects. You know, obviously not gonna last forever. There's the router, guys. There is the router. All right, talking about killer deals. Check out this tote. This one's 26 down from 29, and then you got this 23 down from 59. Extreme Tool backpack. But check this out. You got the Pro on the top, as we see this backpack. But we do have the Pro on the top only for $31, down from $79. That is a killer smoking deal. Check out the thickness of that bottom rubber piece. Got the rolling tool bag, $51. You got this toolbox, $27 on clearance with the metal handle or aluminum handle, it says. Premium grade. And then you got this plastic one here for 33 bucks. With the Then check out this one. This one's 45 down from 64. 48 piece quarter-inch drive mechanics tool set. That's it for today, guys. There's a lot to cover on these stores. I did not even go a quarter of the store. Go in between those aisles when you walk up those aisles, especially those smart devices. Check them out. I'm not going to put them in here for you guys because you guys get bored. You guys are out tools. But go to your favorite section of those stores. Make sure you guys look at them because you're going to find some clearance items. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.